How to see archive stories on Facebook. Hi everybody, in this video we are going to show you how you can access your archive Facebook stories. So let's just dive right into the video. So first of all, open up the Facebook app or go to facebook.com. After that, you can tap on your profile picture in order to open up your profile page. Once you are there, what you can do is you can tap on the three dots beside the edit profile. Tap on it to open up a menu. From the given menu, all you need to do is go ahead and select the option that says archive right here. And when you do that, you can head over to the option that says story archive. Tap on it to open up your story archive. So all you need to do is follow the steps in order to see the stories that you have posted that have been archived in your Facebook story. So that is it for now. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.